What's good, y'all? It's your boy John. No H2Ns. I'm back with another video, back with another banger, and this one's a crazy one because y'all see that push button, man? Boy, we in the hellcat, you feel me? First ride in the cat, you feel me?
I forgot where I put that shit in.
And I just don't know. We gonna see how he drive, because hopefully he don't drive like that one time when I was in my car. Oh my God, y'all, I did not record, and I'm happy I didn't, because it was probably the scariest drive in a car I've ever been in, you know what I'm saying? And I was mad because I was in my own car. That 707 on the dash. So yeah, this is about to be eventful, you feel me? I got brother-in-law.
I'm just trying to
Got Ken in the back.
I see too many black people here, so I'm over here like,
I'll be right back. Nigga, wait a second. Wait for like 10 minutes. I'll be right back.
Yeah. Got the sports transmission, street traction, sports suspension. Full tank and you only got 114 miles?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, that's some shit.
Woo, I thought my gas mileage was bad.
My shit is horrible.
But that's what you paid for.
Oh my God.
I'm trying to come 2022 hell Keezy.
2022.
Yeah. Cause they switching them up in 2022.
that boy want that 7.0.
That's next year. you gotta think about it. It's in a couple weeks. It's in a couple months they're gonna drop the 2022. Ooh, you hear that whine. Oh, shit. I already know if I had one of these bitches, I have too much fun and I wouldn't have no tires.
Shit, I barely got time. Barely got them.
I already be
You be
spinning.
using your paddles and shit?
Nah, he in full manual mode.
I be using my paddle.
I mean, you can when you're in the paddle mode, but you get better fuel economy in manual mode too, though.
outside, and that shit said pop. It was like 5 niggas looked at it. It was like, oh shit. They getting shot at.
Scat for daily, hellcat for fun. That's the only way it's gonna work.
It's not even the way.
It's Southwest Young. And you,
Oh, yeah?
and you just make a left, and you be back at the spot. He was spinning. That's why he shifted to get grip. Shit.
Yeah, I should be spinning like a motherfucker.